Autumn House isn't the only place where Legionnaire's disease has been detected. Take a look at this map where Autumn House is down here. We've also confirmed Legionnaire's has been detected at Rose State College, less than half a mile away. Fox 25's Rob Hagan went to the campus to find out what precautions are being taken.
The semester at Rose State College just started last week. Now, with more than 8,000 students, they've had to take extra precautions to keep the danger of Legionnaire's disease out of the water. Legionella thrives in warm, stagnant water and usually grows in the biofilm inside of pipes. It spreads through inhaling water vapor. It mainly affects smokers, older adults over 55 years old, and the immunocompromised. It can be found in fountains, showers, tanks, and cooling towers, which is why Rose State College took precautions after finding traces in the water supply.
Safety of our students, staff, and faculty is our top priority. We want to make sure that we were doing everything we could to make sure that the drinking water was safe.
On top of canceling weekend activities, Rose State College drained all building lines, exterior lines, hydrants, and tanks, just like this one. Cordell Jordan says they've been guided by IWC innovations and CDC guidelines to keep water flowing through the system.
Their recommendation was to keep campus open because the longer we keep it open, the more fresh water comes into campus.
Do you feel safe?
Yeah, if they're doing what they're saying, that's pretty much what they say all it takes. So I feel confident that they're taking care of it.
Legionella grows in the lungs, causing inflammation, filling the lungs with fluid, making it hard to breathe. Dr. Dale Bratzler says the most important thing he wants you to know is not to panic.
This isn't going to be a big public health outbreak, most likely, because this doesn't spread from one person to another. You only get it by inhaling contaminated mist, water mist.
The deadly bacteria became known as Legionnaire's disease after hundreds became infected in an American Legion convention in 1976. 29 died from pneumonia. Now, decades later, it's still not known why it's showing up here in Oklahoma. The city of Midwest City says their drinking water exceeds all required standards of the Public Health Department. They released a statement to Fox 25 News stating, quote, "In the most recent case of Legionella being discovered in Midwest City by the Oklahoma State Department of Health, at Autumn House, it was confirmed by the Infectious Disease Prevention and Response Division that the source was not Midwest City water. If you experience symptoms like shortness of breath, cough, fever, or weakness, contact your healthcare professional immediately because Legionella can be deadly." Rob Hagan, Fox 25 News.